Completing the square vertex form for the SAT. The SAT loves vertex form questions. If you can complete the square, you can read the vertex instantly. That skill unlocks minimum and maximum problems, symmetry, and a clear graph picture. Let's build the method step by step. So what does completing the square actually mean? You rewrite a quadratic from standard form into vertex form. Standard form looks like ax squared plus bx plus c. Vertex form looks like times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. The vertex of the parabola is the point h, k. Those letters are coordinates, not decoration. When a is positive, the parabola opens upward and k is the minimum value. When a is negative, k is the maximum. Warm up. X squared plus 6x plus 2. Start with x squared plus 6x plus 2. Focus on 6x. Half of 6 is 3, and 3 squared is 9. Add 9 and subtract 9 so the value does not change. The first three terms, vector is x plus 3 squared, combine negative 9 and 2, negative 7. Vertex form is x plus 3 squared minus 7, so the vertex is at negative 3, negative 7. Because a is 1 and positive, this point is the minimum of the parabola. For the SAT, the axis of symmetry is x equals negative 3 through the vertex. Medium example, x squared minus 10x plus 20. Start with x squared minus 10x plus 20. Half of negative 10 is negative 5, and negative 5 squared is 25. Add 25 and subtract 25. That becomes x minus 5 squared minus 5. The vertex is 5, negative 5, and the minimum value is negative 5. Harder case, 2x squared plus 8x plus 1. Factor first. Start with 2x squared plus 8x plus 1. Factor 2 from the first two terms, 2 times this x squared plus 4x plus 1. Inside the parentheses, half of 4 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. Add 4 and subtract 4. Rewrite x squared plus 4x plus 4 as x plus 2 squared, then distribute the 2. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7. Vertex at negative 2, negative 7. 2 mistakes to avoid. First, do not complete the square on 2x squared plus 8x without factoring out the 2 first. That scrambles the algebra. Second, when you add 9 inside to complete the square, subtract 9 too. Otherwise, you change the expression. Correct. Add 9 and subtract 9 in the same expression so it stays balanced. Guide pro tip, minimum and maximum questions. If they ask for the minimum value of fx equals x squared plus 6x plus 2, complete the square. Vertex form gives k directly. Here, negative 7 is the minimum when a is positive. Quick recap, 3 steps. Step 1, if a is not 1, factor a from the quadratic part first. Step 2, take half of the linear coefficient, square it, then add and subtract that square. Step 3, fold the perfect square, simplify constants, and read h and k. Practice more on NovaMaths.